2015 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, power passenger seat, air conditioning, front, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, aluminum wheels, four-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, premium sound system, climate control, rear defrost, universal garage door opener, power door locks. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.